Welcome to YouTube. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated supercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80, a car that doesn't just push the boundaries of design and performance, but completely redefines what it means to be a modern hypercar. So sit tight, because what you're about to hear is more than just specs and features. It's the story of innovation, ambition, and raw Italian passion on four wheels. The Ferrari F80 is not your average successor in the hypercar lineage, designed to follow in the footsteps of legends like the LaFerrari and Enzo. The F80 marks a bold new direction. It is lighter, faster, and smarter, blending bleeding-edge technology with iconic Ferrari DNA. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you realize this is no ordinary car. It looks like something out of the future, aggressive yet elegant. Alien yet unmistakably Ferrari, the exterior design is sculpted with aerodynamic perfection. Inspired by fighter jets and Formula One engineering, the F80 slices through the air, with minimal drag and maximum downforce. Its ultra-low profile, sharp angles, and extensive use of carbon fiber make it not just stunning to look at, but incredibly functional. Every line serves a purpose. The massive front splitter, active rear wing, and rear diffuser all work together to keep the car planted at insane speeds. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. Ferrari has made a daring move with the F80 by ditching the traditional V12. Instead, it features a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain. And before you think that's a downgrade, think again. The V8 alone produces over 900 horsepower, and with the hybrid system, the combined output pushes north of 1,200 horsepower. That's right, minus 1,200 horsepower in a car that weighs less than 900 kilograms thanks to advanced carbon titanium materials. The result? A 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time in under 2.3 seconds. A top speed of over 400 kilometers per hour, and the kind of cornering, G-forces that make your body feel like it's being twisted by a roller coaster. Ferrari's engineers have used everything they've learned from Formula One, Le Mans, and decades of supercar development to make this car not just fast in a straight line, but ferociously capable on any track in the world. Inside the cabin, the F80 takes minimalism to a new level. Gone are unnecessary buttons and displays. Instead, the driver is surrounded by a cockpit that feels like a jet fighter's command center. A fully digital interface, holographic HUD, and a steering wheel that houses almost every control needed. It's all about focus. No distractions. Just pure driving. But there's more to the F80 than just brute power and tech wizardry. It's a symbol of Ferrari's future, embracing electrification without sacrificing emotion. The hybrid system doesn't just provide boost. It delivers instant torque and fills in power gaps, making the F80 feel alive in a way no fully electric car can match. And yes, it still sounds like a Ferrari, angry, mechanical, and glorious. Now here's where things get interesting. Ferrari has kept the F80 incredibly secretive. Only a handful of prototypes have been seen, and most of them were heavily camouflaged. Rumors suggest that production will be extremely limited, possibly under 100 units, and each one will be customized to the owner's specs. Price? If you have to ask, you probably can't afford it. But unofficial numbers put it north of $3 million. So why does the F80 matter? It's not just another fast car. It's Ferrari's statement to the world that even in a future dominated by EVs and autonomy, there is still room for passion, performance, and perfection. It's a reminder that driving is not just transportation, it's art, it's adrenaline. It's a connection between man and machine that can't be replaced by algorithms and sensors. The 2026 Ferrari F80 might just be the last of its kind, or the first of a new era. Either way, it's a masterpiece. A machine born not just in a wind tunnel or a lab, but in the hearts of those who still believe that cars can stir the soul. Thanks for watching. If you're a fan of exotic engineering, extreme performance, and the kind of design that belongs on posters and in dreams, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The future is fast, and Ferrari is leading the charge.